What's going on, guys? Shawnee Bitcoin's back with another cryptocurrency blockchain update. Smash that like. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm going to start saying to also hit that notification bell because I've been making some pretty timely calls. And this one today is very important because it's going to be why this is the final warning to pick up Saito. And I've seen this move happen with a few cryptocurrencies in the past, Cardano, Phantom, Egld. Some of them exploded after a while of sitting at the price that Saito is at right about now. And that's all it takes, guys, is for a lot of momentum to build up at that low price, a lot of sellers to get tired of selling and get to basically a corner where they can't sell anymore. And it's scary what can happen after that because you might miss your chance at picking up a cryptocurrency when it's at that stage. So I'm going to show you guys what I think is going to happen with Saito, and you can tell me in the comments if you agree. Let's share the screen. Boop, 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 boop. And go right here. So this is the Bitcoin chart, obviously. Let's refresh because nobody believed that we were going to go back up. There's a lot of FUD in the market. And look what we're seeing, guys. We are seeing $21,380. We did touch 21,400. But yeah, I'm looking for much higher prices from here. I know a lot of people don't really believe it, but it's definitely coming. There's not many strong bears in the market right now, and they're really getting smoked. Um, so what I want to show you guys is the Saito chart. Now, depends which one you want to look at. We could look at TradingView. We could look at the live chart here. You could look at any chart you want, but basically all you need to see is that even on the 90-day and the 180-day chart, this is the 180-day chart, you can see the momentum picking up. And then this slight little dip off here, which is now allowing for a bottom to form right up here, which is going to be deadly going forward because we could see much higher prices. Let's look what happened before. Look at the all-time chart. We did have that massive cup and handle right here that got us a really nice pump up to 10 cents. And we're basically seeing that again right here. Look at this bullish setup right here, guys. There's no way it's going to go down because, in my opinion, I'm not saying it's not going to happen, but look at the bullishness of this chart. It's just setting up for more upward trajectory, in my opinion. Right now, the market cap is extremely low, 440. It's ranked 440, guys. This is the top crypto in the world, in my opinion, and it's ranked 440. So a long way to go. 90-day chart right there. You guys can see what's basically starting to play out. I'm sorry, that was 30-day chart. This is the 90-day chart. That's the most bullish chart besides the 180-day chart. Look at that. It's not too difficult to figure out what's going to happen from here. Let's see what happened at Cardano when it was sitting at 1 cent for a while. And then it exploded. It really did explode. I'm talking about like no one's seen it coming. So look at this. We'll go to the max chart for Cardano. I remember picking it up around under a cent right here. Sorry, right? It was actually, where was that 1 cent mark? I don't know. It was one of these 1 cent marks, guys. It could have been right here. Nah, it wasn't 2017. It was actually like 2020. It was 1 cent somewhere in here. And then look what happens, guys. This is how quick it can change from 1 cent to a nice pump to 30 cents right here, 37 cents. And then just a glorified pump to $1.50. It's it comes out of nowhere. And it takes a lot of people to understand what the project is trying to do for this to happen, and also um, a problem that's being solved with their cryptocurrency. And I think Saito solves the most important problem in the market, which is um, an open internet that actually allows for peer-to-peer interactivity and gives the privacy back to the users. And also it doesn't and allows their users to not have their data being sold to big companies. This is one of the most revolutionary cryptocurrencies. And this is the final warning, guys. The final warning. I will jump into some other coins that I've talked about just to see what they're doing. But final warning for Saito. Make sure you guys are on. Look, up 9%, artificial intelligence token. Um, Ali, they've now integrated with ChatGPT into their NFTs. They came out with their character GPT update, and it's live, guys, which is pretty amazing. That's why I've been super bullish on this project. And as you guys see, ChatGPT is completely overloaded with clients. So there is much more room for other ChatGPTs to exist. And also, if they're gonna add, they added their own AI avatars um, to their ChatGPT bot, which actually makes it come alive and is a much more immersive way to interact with ChatGPT, to give it a face, give it a story. That's what artificial liquid intelligence token is doing, and they're also bringing NFTs to life with this, um, with their metaverse intelligent NFT platform, merging blockchain technology and AI. Let's see what the top gainer in the market is. Make sure you guys smash that like, subscribe, hit those post notifications so that every time I post a video, you guys get notified. Veracity, this is one I talked about back in the day. Still very low, under a cent, still up 60%. Saitama up 63%. Trius up 21%, $1.95. B Pro up 20%. Share token up 20%. Hedera H bar up 20% to 7 cents. Nice move. Nakamoto Games, actually, a couple people have been recommending me this token, and of course I didn't listen, but uh, this is looking super bullish. Nakamoto Games was $6 at some point, and now it's only 15 cents. Do your own research, look into it. Let's see what exchange they're on. You can get them on Bitcoin, KuCoin. You can get it on KuCoin, which is pretty easy. That's awesome. What kind of volume we looking at? $1.5 million traded in the last 24 hours. That's bullish. What about Aptos? Ooh, up 20%. Very bullish token, honestly. Aptos is really creating a community and a whole entire ecosystem. Let's look at the top losers, actually. What kind of losers we got in the market? Divi down 10%. Radiant Capital down 16%. GameFi down 7%. Robo Eno down 5%. Avalanche down 5%. About it, guys. Let's back to Bitcoin. Sorry. Um, what do you guys think? Are you guys bullish, or do you think another dump is coming? Um, I think I've already proved that we're gonna go up here. Not financial advice, but it's gonna be very hard to take down these bear bulls. Look at this $2.1 million buy a second ago. Just a perfect example, guys. Big time bulls coming out to play. It's gonna be tough to bring down this price. We can also look at the news, give you guys an update on the Bitcoin news today. Satoshi will laugh at you all. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon mocks Bitcoin and crypto with devastating price prediction. No, I'm not going to trust that too much. He's probably wrong about that one. Bitcoin price holds steady at 21,000 level. Is the September high the next target? Let's check this out. Bitcoin holds steady at 21,000 level. Federal Reserve Vice Chair Lyle Brainerd stated during a speech at the University of Chicago School of Business that the central bank must continue to tighten monetary policy in order to achieve a sustainable 2% inflation rate. Despite this, the S&P, Dow, and Nasdaq all saw significant losses throughout the day, but managed to recover some of their losses towards the end. Price action from CoinMarketCap.com shows that Bitcoin continued to climb throughout the day, rising from a low of about $20,400 late Wednesday night to an intraday high of $21,207 on Thursday afternoon. Despite concerns over the potential bankruptcy of Genesis Global Capital, the sideways price action for Bitcoin over the past few days is being seen as a normal pause after reaching a 4-month high on Tuesday. According to Jim Wyckoff, a senior technical analyst at Kitco, Bitcoin bulls currently have the upper hand in this short term, with a strong uptrend on the daily chart, indicating the potential for further gains in the short term. Yeah, I 100% agree with him there. This sentiment is echoed by blockchain and analyst Milky Bull Crypto, who predicts that Bitcoin will soon surge to 28,000. I'm predicting basically the same, maybe even higher to 36,000. Caleb Franzen, a senior market analyst at Cubic Analytics, also provided insight into key levels to watch for in order to confirm a bullish outlook for Bitcoin. In a tweet, Franzen stated that there are 3 important levels for Bitcoin at the current moment. He advises that if the price stays above these levels, it is a cause for celebration and potential further gains. He says horizontal support and resistance from the June 2022 lows. Lower bound is 17.6K and upper bound is 19K. These are the 3 most important levels for Bitcoin at the present moment. If we stay above them, party on. If we retest and rebound on any of them, party on. If we break below them, the bear case strengthens. Don't stay at the party when the cops arrive. Until then, dance a bit. On the other hand, if the price falls below these levels, it could indicate a bearish market and potential for further losses. Franzen advises to not stay at the party when the cops come and to enjoy the gains while they last. Where does Bitcoin go from here? Bitcoin has a significant increase in value, rising 30% above 21,000 in 2023 so far. However, on-chain data suggests that the buying trend is not being supported by institutional investors. In contrast to Ethereum, where institutional investors are waiting the integration of major software developments. According to CryptoQuant's Fund Holding Index, the total amount of Bitcoin held by digital asset holdings, such as trusts, exchange-traded funds, and other funds has been declining during the coin's price increase in recent months. Additionally, there have been no unusual transactions on-chain, but on crypto exchanges, as per the comparisons made between CryptoQuant's token transferred and fund flow ratio metrics. The token transferred metric shows the number of coins transferred in a specific time frame, while the fund flow ratio represents the ratio of coin transfers involving the exchange to the overall coin transfers network-wide. Normally, as the market bottoms, institutional investors tend to buy quietly through OTC trading. According to FX Street's Bitcoin price prediction analysis, a rally could throw Bitcoin's price close to $30,000. However, it is unlikely at this point, even if its value is increasing, the impact on the broader cryptocurrency market is expected to be minimal. However, the analyst suggests that the value of Bitcoin may drop below $15,000 before making another attempt to reach the $30,000 mark. This resistance level is crucial for the market leader. If Bitcoin fails to reach this mark again, it is likely that the digital asset market will experience significant sell-offs, leading to a poor start for the cryptocurrency market in 2023. It is important to note that this analysis is solely from an independent source and should not be taken as investment advice. It is recommended that individuals conduct their own research before investing. Altcoin presents strong competition to market leaders. While Bitcoin may not be a likely candidate for the next rally, here are a few tokens worth checking out that could help investors make exponential gains. I'm not going to read those, guys. I just think it was interesting on their take. Yeah, if Bitcoin does go below 15,000, it would be extremely bearish in my opinion. I don't think that's going to happen. I think Bitcoin's headed to $36,000 with not much resistance in the way. And that's because it should go about halfway up to what it was at before, you know what I mean? That's usually how charts move, how altcoin charts move. And if Bitcoin is the same as any other coin, it should move in that way. And with more apps being developed, more people trying to understand crypto, and the world moving into a more technological world, then yeah, we're looking at more people looking into digital assets to invest their money and moving away from the old monetary policy, starting to get comfortable using cryptocurrencies. Um, so yeah, I hope everybody has a blessed day. That's all I really got for today. Make sure you guys smash the like. Final warning, Saito is going to be on fire in the coming months. Make sure you guys smash that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm out of here.